Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Line account to a new phone without losing your chats, friends, or stickers. So let's dive in. First things first, on your old phone, you want to open the Line app and make sure you're logged in. Then from here, you want to tap on the settings icon in the top right scroll corner of the screen. From here, go ahead and scroll down or just look for backup and restore chat history. From here, you want to tap on backup and make sure your chats are backed up to your Google account. If you're not connected yet, Line will guide you through linking one. Now, once your backup is complete, move to your new phone and install the Line app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then log in using the same phone number and email you used on your own device. After logging in, Line will ask if you want to restore your chat history or start fresh. Just choose restore chat history. And if you don't see the restore prompt, don't worry, just tap the settings icon and go back to the backup and restore chat history. And this time select restore right over here. So you can see at the bottom, there's a restore option. Now choose the Google account where your backup is saved, confirm, and Line will restore your chats to your new phone. And basically that's it. All you need to do is make sure that you have choose backup now right over here, right? So that's it. Your Line account, chats, and data should now be fully transferred to your new device. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.